Hello and welcome to Little Learners. This week we are looking at Valentine's phonics. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. A is for adore. Adore. B is for balloons. Balloons. K is for card. Card. D is for decorations. Decorations. E is for envelope. Envelope. F is for friends. Friends. It's important to tell your friends how much you love them. G is for gift. Gift. H is for hug. Hug. Do you like getting hugs? I is for in love. In love. J is for jewellery. Jewellery. K is for kiss. Kiss. All is for love. Love. M is for married. Married. Two people might marry each other when they're in love. N is for notes. Notes. You might write a love note to someone you love. O is for octopus. I cheated on this one because I couldn't think of an O word, but this octopus is thinking about love. Octopus. P is for poem. Poem. Qu is for question. Question. My question is, will you be my Valentine? Is for roses. Roses. S is for sweets. Sweets. T is for tulips. Tulips. My favourite flowers. Is for unwrap. Unwrap. V is for Valentine's Day. Valentine. W is for walk. Walk. It's nice to take a lovely walk with the people you love. X can be heard at the end of the word box, as in box of chocolates. X. Y is for yay. Yay. Z is the sound a love bug makes. Z. Can you think of a word that starts with Z? And that's the end of our Valentine's phonics. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely Valentine's Day and I will speak to you next time.